Shit. Yo. What is that?
Oh my goodness.
This is the type of accident that, bro, you cannot escape, bro. You cannot escape. Here, Warrior, Alabama, 1_65 South crash. An impatient driver overtake me and crashes into a vehicle walking on the road. This was so bad. This is why, as a driver, you always have to patient, bro. Patient, because your life is very important. If you are watching this video, you have to learn. This is a lesson, bro. So what we have here today is a day in life of an American truck driver, road rage, brake check, car crash, instant karma. So you have to be careful because it can happen to anyone if you do not take your time. So if this is your first time to be on this YouTube channel, bro, I'm not commanding, I'm begging you to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video because it will help me a lot. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I really need that right now because I'm a student. I need to make this work. Yo, let's keep going. Oh, what is this? Yo! This must be a stolen car, bro. Okay. What the hell?
Yes, Eddie. Tim smiled self-consciously. Eddie could feel his heart beating hard in his chest. What does the number 19 mean to you? Take consider.
Wait, was this driver actually sleeping or what? You see, existing 1 to 65 north, 1 to 70 west in my new route. A sedan in my blind spot changed lane without looking, causing a van to lose control. The van jumped the curb, hit a sign, crashed into a fence and a tree, and bounced back, knowing down more of the fence. This was so bad, bro. What the hell? Yeah.
a car coming. I pulled out. When I realized what happened, I stomped the gas because I didn't want them to have to slam on brakes. But the guy in the truck honks his horn, comes flying up beside me, starts giving me the middle finger. While I rolling my window down because I'm on a little finger. Scoot, what the hell? Stop! Roll your window up. I said, what is this? She said, weapon my scent, Dad. Weapon your scent? What are you running the game now? What do y'all call the mini tots? She said, no. We're the princess warriors and I'm the leader. You don't know nothing about no game. I said, okay, how about this? How do you get into the game? She's like, well, we play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And if you beat me, you get in. I said, well, I don't want to play. She said, you can't. You're a boy
What
and
the
boys
hell?
suck. You know what? I'll play a game too. It's called
Yo,
1, 2.
what was the cause, bro? Let's watch this once more, bro. Let's see what was the cause.
You know nothing about no game. I said, okay, how about this? How do you get into the game? She's like, well, we play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And if you beat me, you get
What
in. I said, well, I don't want to play. She said, you can't. You're a boy and
was the?
boys suck.
They were road raging, bro.
You know what?
Like this
I'll play
black
a game
car
too. It's called 1, 2, 3. Where's
and
my...
the white car, actually they were road raging. That's the reason why this black car lost control. Yo, this was so bad. This is a great
Because I'm about
loss.
to beat it off. Now, y'all know I talk about Baby Lucy. She got no F's to give.
Wait, was this driver sleeping on or what?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Alarm.
Oh, I just got rear-ended. Holy shit, yes I did.
Oh, yo, all these small cars, bro. They just be running up and down like that. Look at this one. Let me see his hell car. You see, this guy was test driving a Mustang, speeding on the West Road, despite the salesman warning. He lost control, hit the left wall, crossed the 3 lane, hit the right wall, and then come back in front into the middle lane. And he is just testing this car, bro. What a bad day.
Fleet manager testified that the ATM surveillance footage definitely showed a Ford F-250, just like the one that Shauna drove that night. As you can imagine, the mask ended up being a big part of the trial. Even though there was no blood or gunshot residue on the mask, it was a match to the mask that was described by the people who had witnessed the attack that night. And one witness actually recalled seeing something bright underneath the hood. And as you can see, there's red on the inside of the hood, and it's definitely pretty bright. Now,
Yo, what a collusion, bro.
went back in, put, 30 minutes, came back out, and it was game time. But I felt like we got all season. And teaches the different systems so we could, Al Smith, the all-pro linebacker, is working, as a VP of pro personnel, and we're
this division is, and somebody's got to take it. Maybe a little on the Dallas Cowboys because they look different with Andy Dalton at the helm now.
They do, but they still got a lot of good football players on that team, and Andy's a good quarterback, and he's just got to get comfortable within the system. And as he continues to play more and more, I think you'll see better play from Andy. Because he's got to knock the rust off and get himself out there. And again, it's just it's one of those things. It's about reps.
Westbound, stop it. Westbound, coming to a stop. Westbound, stop. It's icy up here. I can't find a mile marker here, but we just got a bunch of accidents all at once. I got mile marker 110 westbound, all stopped. Westbound 110, all stopped. Westbound 110, all 3 lanes are stopped. Westbound 110, all 3 lanes are stopped. Westbound 110, everybody stopping. Westbound 110, we got multiple accidents, all lanes are shut down.